morning, students. Welcome to Plutus IAS. Students, when we talk about the North Indian climate range, groundwater recharge, or desert control, one mountain range is silently done all this work. Name is Aravalli. But today, this one of the oldest mountain range in the world is facing a major issue, which is mining. So today we cover all the aspects like why Aravalli are ecological important, what is the mining issue, and the Supreme Court and government response regarding that, and why this matter is important for the UPSC's preparation. So as a first point, let me cover the ecological importance of the Aravalli. So Aravalli range act as a natural barrier against the Thar Desert, and it prevent the desertification in Rajasthan, Haryana, and Delhi NCR region, and help in groundwater recharging, especially in semi-arid region. Okay, Aravalli hosts 25 major protected areas, which are three national parks. First, second is 22 wildlife sanctuary, and third is three tiger reserves. Now, what is the Aravalli mining issue majorly? So, for that purpose, we have to see the length of Aravalli. Aravalli covers near about 1.43 to 1.47 square kilometer area. So, the mining of stones, marbles, and limestones lead to the hill cuttings, forest loss, and groundwater depletions. And Aravalli face all these issues because of illegal minings and unregulated minings. Now, the one major controversy in the Aravalli mining range is related to what is called at 100 meters provisions. As per environmental safeguards, mining activities are restricted within 100 meters of forest boundaries, forest ground area. So this buffer zone is meant to prevent dust and vibration damage. Second point, it prevents wildlife in movements. It safeguards the ground level plus vegetations. So this all things directly connected to the safeguard of the Aravallis. Now, so there is also a narrative where we see that 100-meter length of a mountain is considered as an Aravalli, and other than that, less than 100 meter is not considered as an Aravalli. And this narrative is led to a public perceptions that the government has opened the Aravalli for mining. But this is not the correct, because after the Supreme Court intervened in this Aravalli's issue, Supreme Court expanded the definition of Aravalli range, which placed directly a strict restrictions on the mining, and no new mining leases allowed in Aravalli. Okay, the government has classified that no new mining or no new mining lease will be granted in the Aravalli Hills until a comprehensive management plan for sustainable development is finalized. The minister emphasized that only about 0.1%, not zero point 0.1, it's 0.19% of the total area of the Aravalli range is eligible for the mining, and the rest is remain the same, and reiterated the center's commitment for the expand of full cooperation for safeguarding or for protections and for restorations of the Aravalli range. So as we see that till the management plans for sustainable mining by ICFRA is finalized, no new lease, no mining lease shall be granted. It's directly connected to the minister's statement, and he also emphasized that 0.19% is eligible area for mining in Aravalli. As we see, there is 3 national parks, 22 wildlife sanctuaries, tigers reserves, total major protected areas 25 in the Aravalli range. And it covers the Rajasthan, Delhi, Haryana, Gujarat, Rajasthan multi-state Aravalli belt. Okay. So for the environmental perspective, there is lots of areas or protected area where mining is not eligible on government. So, in the conclusion, or we can say the way forward things for the government to do fastly is like finalize the MPSP or management planning for the sustainable management quickly, strengthening their satellite monitoring, promote a green livelihood, and community protection in conservations. Okay, so safeguarding our natural heritage is the motto for us, and government doing this very gracefully. So thank you and have a nice day, students. Jai Hind.